Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I am your host, Mike Metter. I'm a realtor here in the Boise, Idaho area. And in today's video, we're gonna be walking through a home in Mountain Home, Idaho. Now, Mountain Home is more of a military town. We have a base here and we are about 40 to 45 minutes southeast of Boise. So it's a pretty quick trip up to Boise. The reason I like to come down here is the prices are a little bit better. You get a little bit more bang for your buck, as you will see when we walk through this home. So this home is located at 4360 Northwest Purple Sage Circle in Mountain Home. It's currently listed at $665,000. It's been on the market for about 4 days. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,167 square foot home. It is a single story home, 10-foot ceilings throughout, which is really nice. You do have a 3-car garage with a bonus of an RV bay as well. So you have plenty of room for parking all your toys inside to keep them out of the elements. You are sitting on an acre lot. This is a custom home is what I would call it. It's very beautiful, very nice updates and finishes to it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video tour.
All right, here you get a good shot of the exterior. It's that RV bay I was talking about. And your 3-car garage. It's nice you have all those windows in there. Lets in lots of natural light. Here as we get into the house, see the first bedroom. Move through to the second. All the bedrooms are going to have ceiling fans in them too. Quartz counters, nice black modern finishes in the bathroom and throughout the home. Into the third bedroom. We'll take a look at the closet here and the storage that's provided. Good size rooms. Across the hall, you're gonna have your powder room for your guests. Then we'll move into the living room. It's your gas fireplace. Do have the same modern looking ceiling fan that was in the bedrooms. Moving towards the dining room and kitchen. Here's your breakfast bar. Good look at the island and the rest of the kitchen here. Step out onto the covered patio. It is a good sized patio. Look at that acre that you're sitting on. You can see the private patio off of the master over there. As we head back inside, you will see that the kitchen cabinets do extend all the way to the ceiling. And here's that butler's pantry. Plenty of storage in there. As we make our way into the master bedroom, take a look at the closet. Here's that private patio. We will walk into the master bath now. Dual vanities. You have your soaker tub and a separate walk-in shower. Do have 2 shower heads there. Now we'll walk into the mudroom. Really good sized mudroom with the sink, which I always appreciate. And into the garage, and as you'll see, yes, the lights are turned on out here, but with having the glass panels in the garage doors and up there on the wall, there is just so much natural light. And a lot of these garages you go into, they're very dark. But that's going to be the tour for today. I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.